Scream like a little girl again, Jaime.
Get a close-up on his face.
Oh, look at that red face.
He's embarrassed.
This is my locker. Ow!
Attack him.
Attack him.
No.
He can take it. Hi.
Why is it sticky right there? Stop it!
Oh, he spit water.
Let's go!
I'm still videotaping this. Put this on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Chris, what are you doing, man?
Run, run.
The problem my mom is bleeding.
Oh.
Whoa.
Want to say hi to the camera? Okay, sorry. I'll take a video of him screaming like a girl. I'm gonna punch you if you don't scream like a girl. Yeah, go in there. I have videotape of it. That's right. Run, little boy. He has to go back to pictures.
I don't want to go in there. Wait, I don't want to
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Why?